Hey guys, it's Maddie. So I have a question. So let's just say it like this. One day I was just walking through my normal Minecraft world, and then I saw a llama. And don't ask me why, but the llama, right over here, got me thinking. Llamas are really adorable. Yes, you are. You're so freaking adorable. Oh, look, he's got a baby. But what made me think is that I want to do a Q&A. Now, obviously, I'm not one of those big shot YouTubers that do have that people give me loads of questions, but I thought for those of you that do subscribe to me, give me some questions. Comment on this video or tell me in person if you're one of my friends, and I will surely answer. I will be collecting these through the rest of the week, maybe a little bit less than the week, and I'm going to take all the questions and I'm going to turn them into a video. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Bye!